Hey there, TriMech clients. We're back here at the floor of the Partner Pavilion, SOLIDWORKS World 2018, and we're here at Optis' booth. So we just wanted to get a feel for what have you guys thought about the conference so far?
So far it's a great conference because we can see a lot of potential customers, so we can meet new prospects, and we have some good feedback about what we show. We show a new product, which is a new package for lighting industry.
Okay.
So we can reach a new market because we are mainly automotive, so that's great for us to go in another market.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Okay. Now, if there were a couple main things about your software package, what industries do you see are using your software most prevalently? Who's using your software most?
So 80% of our market is in the automotive industry.
Okay.
But we are trying to reach more customers in the aerospace and lighting industry.
Okay.
So that's why we create this new package for our solution, which is integrated in SolidWorks for lighting industry.
Okay.
Because a lot of lighting industry use SolidWorks.
Okay. Perfect. So you guys are obviously doing some pretty remarkable stuff. Have you gotten a chance to see anybody else around here? Who else has been really exciting from what you've seen? Some other partners that are here.
So hardware partners are really interesting for us.
Okay.
So for example, NVIDIA, HP, or also the Air headset, because we have our product which is integrated in SolidWorks, but we also have a product which is virtual reality.
Okay.
So we are really interested by all the hardware which can allow us to show our product with partnership with these people.
Okay, awesome. Well, hey, this has been great. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.